What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to walk through a 2023 Crest Classic DLX 220. This thing has a Pro XS 200 Mercury on the backside of it, so you can push around the lake very easily. You guys pull a tuber, skier, whoever you want out back. Let's come inside and check it out. So inside, we'll check this out first. Here in the back, we do have the sun pad lounger. This is adjustable forward or back, so you can kind of dictate which way you guys are facing off the sun pad there. We do have the dual captain's chair set up here. Some nice cup holders here for the co-pilot as well. We have our three drawer storage here. Great spot for towels, life jackets, sunscreen, anything like that. As we work forward here, we do have the ski locker in the floor here. Great spot for really whatever. It's nice and long, so you can fit fishing poles, skis, whatever you guys want to in there. Then up front, you'll see we do have kind of the typical pontoon lounge seating up front, storage underneath everything, as well as a built-in cooler underneath that seat there. This Crest, again, is the 220 DLX. If you guys have any more questions about this, hop on to MarineMax.com. We do have other colors in stock. If you guys have questions outside of that, contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.